Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see word problems under weight chapter. Look at the scales and answer the questions. Express your answers in kilograms and grams. Here we are going to measure the weight of each object. Okay, what is the weight of box A? Box A's weight is, look at the needle, red needle, it shows after 2 kg. So each line represents 100 gram. As I said earlier in previous videos, each line represents 100. Let me check. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So each line represents 100 gram. The red needle shows after 2 kg at what point? 100, 200, 300. So 2 kg to 300 gram. Therefore the weight of the box A is 2 kilogram 300 gram. Let me find the weight of box B. Here also we have to consider each line as 100 gram. So the red needle shows after 4 kg. So we have to consider from 4 kg. After 4 kg, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So the weight of the box is 4 kg 900 gram. Okay. Next, the weight of box C. We don't have small lines between 0 to 1 kg. There are 3 lines after 0 to 2 kg. So we have to consider the central line of 0 to 2 kg is 1 kg. This line is considered as 500 gram and this line is considered as 1 kg. So 0 to 2 kg, the central line is considered as 1 kg. Between 0 to 1 kg, the central line is considered as 500. So what is the weight of the box C? The red needle shows after 6 kg, 6 kg plus 500. So 6 kilogram 500 gram. We have to find which is heavier. How much heavier is box B than box A? So we have to subtract. How much heavier means we have to subtract. Okay, how much heavier nalu, how much lighter nalu enna pannanum? Subtract panni answer find out pannanum. So what we have to do here? Subtract 4 kg 900 gram minus 2 kg 300 gram. If you subtract these two, what will we get? 900 minus 300 is 600. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, 2 kg 600 gram. Therefore, how much heavier is box B than box A? Box B is heavier than box A by 2 kg 600 gram. We have to find how much lighter is box B than box C. Which is greater here? Box B or box C? Box C is greater. So you have to write box C as first. 6 kg 500 gram minus 4 kg 900 gram. Here from gram we have to start subtracting the values. 500 minus 900, we cannot do subtraction because 500 is smaller than 900, so we cannot subtract it. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from kg. So give 1 kg to gram. So we will get 5 kg after giving 1 kg to gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000. So we have to put 1500 here. Okay, that means 1000 gram plus 500 is equal to 1500 gram. We are giving 1 kg to gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1000 plus 500 is 1500. Now subtract 900 from 1500. Then what will we get? 600 gram. From 5 if you subtract 4 kg, then we will get 1 kg. Therefore, how much lighter is box B than box C? 1 kg 600 gram. Next, what is the weight of the packets of peanuts? How much more peanuts are needed to obtain 2 kg? Look at the weight machine. Here each line represents 50 gram, because consider from 0 to 500 gram. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 lines are there. So if you divide 500 gram by 10, then we will get 50 gram. So each line represents 50 gram. Okay children. So after 1500 gram, the red needle points on 7th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add by 50. After 1500, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. 1500 gram plus 350 gram is equal to 1850 gram. Okay. So the weight of the peanut is 1850 gram. How much more peanuts are needed to obtain 2 kilogram? So 2 kilogram reach பண்ணனும்னா நம்ம எவ்வளோ kg weight place பண்ணனும்? Then how much peanuts, how much kilogram we have to keep it on the weight machine? So after 350, how much? 50, 100, 150. So we have to add 150 gram. So to reach 2 kg, 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. Subtract 1850, then we will get 150 gram. If you subtract these two, then we will get the answer as 150 gram. If we want to increase the weight of peanut to 2 kg, we have to increase 150 gram more with this packet of peanut. Okay children. Word problems. First one. Look at the first problem. Rayon's weight is 14 kilograms. His father is 6 times as heavy as he is. Find his father's weight. So Rayon's weight is how many kilograms? 14 kilograms. His father is 6 times more than Rayon's weight. So 6 times more means we have to multiply it. Number of times means we have to multiply. So with Rayon's weight 14 kilogram, we have to multiply number of times to find father's weight. So 6. Multiply with 6 times. So we will get the answer as 84 kilogram. So 14 kilogram into number of times. Number of times we have 6 times. So 14 kilogram into 6 is equal to 84 kilogram. Therefore, his father's weight is 84 kilogram. If the number of times is given means we have to multiply with the given value. You have to understand that concept. Okay. Number of times is given means we have to multiply that with the given value. Okay. Second problem. Lily's weight was 25 kilogram 750 grams 2 years ago. Now her weight is 32 kilograms. How much heavier is Lily now than 2 years ago? What is given here? Lily's weight is given before 2 years ago. Now her weight is 32 kilograms. How much heavier is Lily now? For that we have to subtract greater value minus smaller value. That means 32 kilogram minus 25 kilogram 750 gram. So we have to subtract these two values to get how much she is heavier now. 0 minus 0, 0. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we have to share from here. Here also 0. Again we have to share from here. From 32, share one value. Then we will get here 10. Then again share one value to here. Here it will be 10 and here it will be 9. Here 2 becomes 1. 31 kg. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1, we cannot subtract 5 from 1. So again we have to share from 3. So give 1 kg to here. Okay. So it becomes 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Therefore, how much is heavier now? 6 kilogram, 250 gram. So, in this method also we can do subtraction to find the answer. Okay, children. So, how much is heavier now? 6 kg, 250 gram. Okay.
Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, my dear kids.